Hello, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe, it is a super simple saute or stir fry using zucchini and green beans. This is my my husband's favorite way to accompany his steak. Check out the full video soon and I'll see you soon. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon. Oh my god, look at me babbling and making a lot of mistakes. Anyways, I'll be posting for new vlogs from Indonesia because I will be traveling in a couple of days, and hopefully I truly hope that I can post new vlog from Indonesia. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Slice thin your green beans and place it in a bowl. Cube your courgette, zucchini, and place it in a bowl along with the sliced green beans. Rinse them in water, and now we're gonna stir fry them. Heat 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, and we're gonna saute 3 garlic sliced until fragrant, and then we're gonna drop in our greens or soaked veggies. Once it's fragrant, again add in our veggies. Just stir fry until tender. Once the veggies are halfway tender, we're gonna season it. But basically, we are stir frying them until they are tender, and it will be ready. So simple to make. Cover with lid to help the veggies tender quicker. And let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and stir it occasionally. Now it's half tender. We're gonna season it with granule mushroom. Ready to use fried garlic. Some Vegeta powder and ground white pepper. Now cover the lid and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until tender. Again, stir occasionally. As you can see, there's a tiny broth there that is getting thicker. Your veggies are almost done. Nice. So you want a flavor that is garlicky, but also you can taste the white pepper. So this is on low medium heat, again for 5 to 7 minutes, and it's ready to be served with rice or just as is. It would be nice if you have tofu to add it into the pot or into the pan, but otherwise this is nice.